Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by signing into the Google account you want to edit, and then open Account Settings. Once signed in, go straight to Personal Info. This is where contacts like email and phone are stored. You'll see a phone section. Tap or click it to reveal any numbers linked to the account. Make sure you're using the correct account if you have multiples. This gets you to the editable screen so you can remove the specific phone number safely. Now you select the exact phone number shown and open its detail view. This is where actions live. Once opened, choose Edit or More, then look for Remove or Delete. Google sometimes hides it under a three-dot menu. If Google requests verification, follow the prompt. This prevents accidental loss and confirms it's your action. Remember, removing a recovery number may affect account recovery, so read on-screen notices before confirming the deletion to understand consequences and alternatives. Delete the number by tapping Remove or Delete and accept the confirmation dialog. This completes the removal. Once done, return to Personal Info and refresh the page so you can verify the phone entry is gone. If the number still appears, sign out and back in or clear browser cache, then retry. These steps often resolve sync glitches. If you used a mobile device and it fails, try the desktop browser. That single troubleshooting tip.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.